7 TVR started, I think. Same as Land Rover.
That's actually a part of the manufacturing process there, dumped on the floor. A huge amount of work went into making that.
Isn't that the mould for the bonnet of your car?
There's nothing quieter than a no longer functioning factory, is there? It's a particularly noticeable quiet.
I hate it. My car was in here once, though.
Yeah?
Going through here, being built.
Brand new.
And it was all new, and somebody was very excited about it somewhere. My TVR is coming next week. It's an S2.
Yeah.
What have you found? Some more knobby work?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'll lean on that bit. Oh, that's really sad.
Let me just see what the word was. Yeah, I thought so.
It was horrible to walk round this industrial wilderness. There were so many memories, so many thoughts of what might have been.